Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Grafana Cloud beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in grafana.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the Grafana Cloud option in the top menu. Click on Grafana Cloud to navigate to the dedicated section. On the Grafana Cloud page, you will see an option to get started free. Click on Get Started Free to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. After filling in your information, click on Sign Up or Create Account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Grafana. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Grafana Cloud page. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will see different subscription options. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the plan to view more details on features and pricing. If you are satisfied with your choice, click on Select Plan. You may need to enter additional information, such as billing details. Fill in all required fields accurately to ensure a successful subscription. Review your order summary before proceeding. Explore the features available to make the most of your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.